Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. So here in this video I am going to cover a new topic and new way to send bulk email on the daily basis, and in this video I'll cover the both version, free and paid version, that you can use to send the bulk email on the daily basis. So stay tuned till the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it now because I'm making the videos on concrete stuffs on daily basis. And if you're interested in sending the bulk email on the daily basis free of cost, then you can check the playlist of my channel, which is named by Mail Trick. You can find in the playlist, and you can watch the entire videos that is there in the Mail Trick, and you would be easily able to perform each step so that you can easily able to send the bulk email on the daily basis free of cost, because I have covered the entire things in this playlist of sending email details. You can find it here, pro and free of cost you can use, and I have covered the basic steps so that you would be easily able to perform and would able to send the mails bulk email on the daily basis. So do subscribe my channel now and give thumbs up to this video after watching. If you find this video helpful, share it as much as possible. You can find my Instagram channel with the same name, Basics with Meeta, and my Facebook page to get updated with my these videos. So let's see that how we are going to send bulk email as I promised to inform you here. So for that, you have to open up your Gmail ID, and you have to uh, first compose email. For that, you can easily open and click on this compose, and then what you have to do, already I have kept in the draft which you have to mention. So this is how you will be getting. So here you have to mention the content that you want to send to your recipients, and this is how, as you can see, that I have mentioned. So you have to mention your email body that you want to send to your recipient, and in the subject you have to mention the subject. And here, as you can see, that I have mentioned hello and name. So it means in the spreadsheet I will mention the names which is fetch as per the email list we are having. And you, if you want to send the if you want to send the mail to the particular recipient with their names, then you can use this way, and it will fetch the recipient name one by one as per the mail list you are having. So let's see how we are going to do that. So it means you have to make, and you have to write the body content here, this is how, and mention the subject. Now we will see in the spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet, which I'm using of the same mail ID. So here you can see that I have mentioned name and email, and you can see that in the name I have mentioned the name as per the email list I'm having here. Just to show you, I'm using the same email ID of mine, so that you will be having the idea that here you have to keep the recipient email list with their names in front of the mail ID. So this is how you have to make. And now how you are going to send it, so that I'm going to show you here. So here you can see that add-on option. I'll go to the add-on and get add-on. So click on it. Yes, so here we are going to type yet another mail merge. You can see that I'm getting the option. Click on it. Now mail merge for Gmail. So I'll click on this. Install it. It will take a few minutes. Click on continue. So you can use your Gmail ID that you want to use. So type your Gmail ID here, which you want. Type your password. Click on next. So I'm using this Gmail ID to send bulk email. That is why I'm installing with my this mail ID. Allow it. Now it's done. So this is how you have to do. And now I'm going to click again in add-on. So here after that you will be able to see this option, yet another mail merge, once you will install it. And then you have to go to the start mail merge option. So this is how you have to do, friends, and it is taking a little time because I'm using here first time with this mail ID. Now you can see that email ID it is showing, so it will fetch directly. So the recipient, definitely you have to select the email ID here. Click on save option. Now here if you want you can mention your name. I'm mentioning my channel name here and email templates that you can see already you have kept in your draft after composing up your Gmail. Click on this and you have to tick this box so that you will be get to know that how much mails get opened after sending, and which one bounce, which one clicks. So entire data you'll be going to get. So here as you can see the option of upgrade, if you click on upgrade you'll be getting the details, the pro version of it that you can buy, and you'll be getting the emails to send here up to 1500 recipient per day. So you can go and you can click on this upgrade version so that you'll be going to get the details of it, and you can simply purchase it and you would get these options that it will be providing. But I'm going to send the free, so that is why I'm going to send a free version. I'm going to use the free version of it. So here you'll be getting the 50 recipient, as you can see that on the daily basis, free of cost, that you can use. So click on send 4 emails because I have mentioned 4 emails. Click on it. Now you can see that mails are sending here. It is done. You can see that all emails are sent here, and after that you can see that I'm getting the tracking report after sending it, and here you can see that merge status. So my mails got sent. Let me show you here. So you can see that it's sent here, and if I'll open I'll get the entire details, the tracking details I'll be getting in the same spreadsheet. So let me open one. So here you can see that I have mentioned the name Soria. So you can see that in last this mail sent with the name of Soria here, and I have opened up this email. Let me open another email and reply on it so that I'll be going to get the status. Here you can see that one mail, 2 emails I have opened, one email I have replied, and another mail I haven't opened, so that I'll get the same status here. Just I have shown you 2 emails I have opened up, and one I had responded and one I had not opened. So you can see that status it is showing here. Now here you can see that in the tracking report 75% email have opened. So you can see that 3 emails have opened. If you mention any link in the body session of your email, then you'll be going to get the report of it. Responded, 1 email responded. As you can see that I have responded 1 email, and no bounce, no unsubscribe. So entire details you are going to get with this. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, do subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video, share it as much as possible. And if you want to learn to send the bulk email, unlimited bulk email on the daily basis, so you can check the playlist of mine of mail tricks, and there I have informed you that method. And here, if you want to send the bulk email with their name, so you can use this method, and you can go for this method, so that you'll be getting the tracking report of it, that how much mail open, entire thing that I've shown you here. So give thumbs up to this video, subscribe my channel, share it as much as possible, help me in growing my YouTube channel, be the part of my YouTube family by subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos.